going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working on my F Body Camaro. This video is going to be me taking out the old V6 K member. Later on in the future I might upgrade it later on, but for now I just want to keep it stock. I did find a K member from ls1 98 to 02. I am going to be reusing my struts because they are the same as the ls1, so I want to be able to keep making these videos for people that are trying to do an LM7 swap into a V6 Camaro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, to not miss any of my F Body content. Subscribe, stay tuned, let's get it. Alrighty, guys, so it's about 1:15 right now, man. It's ridiculous. 106 outside. It feels like 1:15, but it's real hot out here. But anyways, taking off the K member. I just want to take off the whole front end and pull it out with the wheels and everything. I got 3 of the bolts out on the K member, 1, 2, and 3. One's right here. One's over here, right underneath the K member, under this panel. And then one's right under here on this side, this panel. This little one goes right here, right in this spot. So those 3. And then the sway bar, 2 bolts. Undid that on this side. And I just got to do that 1 bolt on that side. So 3 K member bolts, 2 of the sway bars, and then the last should be the struts bolts. But I'm gonna do that first. I got these 3 already from the K member, and then I got sway bar. I got 1 more on that one I gotta take off, and then I'm gonna lower it, figure out where I'm gonna put this car at, or see how I'm gonna do it. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Oh man, I had to take a break. It was too hot earlier, but I'm almost there, about to pull it up. Ugh, that's so heavy. Woo! I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Put that wheel back on, pulled it over here. I'm gonna start working on the K member now. Start swapping it out and probably clean some of this up. Alrighty, here we go, baby. So we got the V8 cross member right here. And here are the parts from the V6. I'm gonna take off these control arms, I think. Put the V8 control arms on, the ones that were already bolted onto the cross member for the ls1 V8 one, baby. And then after that, once I do all that, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting that engine on. I gotta get the mount still. We're getting there. So yeah, there goes the F Body Camaro, looking all gutted out, looking all crazy, looking like it got open heart surgery, which it did. And I did spray the engine up with some degreaser, but one day I'm gonna come back and grease it up again with some degreaser and power wash the hell out of it. And I think I might take out that AC stuff. It is hot in Texas, but I do got the T-top conversion coming up soon. So if anything, for now, for the couple years of me driving this thing around, I'm gonna have to run it with no AC. It's gonna be hot. See what happens. I'm not sure. Maybe I can get the AC later on and leave the stuff here. That way I can have it ready, but I don't think that's gonna happen, man. This AC system's all old and beat up, probably. It needs everything replaced in there. All right, here we go. I'm washing that engine over here at the car wash. Put little towels in each single hole. Make sure I tightened up the valve covers. Also tighten up that. Really, I'm just trying to get all the grime off the valve covers. I just wanted to do like a little before and after. So there's the side, front. Look at all that, man. All that degreaser is trying to break it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying it down. Alright guys, so I got it back. It doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty good. Most of the stuff got off from the valve covers. That's what I really wanted. And then too, most of the crud came off from the actual block. which was good enough for me. So I went ahead and painted the valve covers. Yeah, it looks alright. I felt like it looks too red. But yeah, everything looks clean now. The engine looks pretty decent. I'm probably gonna paint that black again. That's about it for now on the engine. I gotta get the mount still. Gotta order those. Hey guys, so here it is right here. I am almost 95% complete done with this. Honestly, I have a couple bolts that I'm missing, but I am gonna get that resolved soon. But this is gonna be it for the video, guys. So I did the V8 K-member swap onto the struts, the V6 struts. Came with the steering rack. I'm gonna go ahead and use that V8 steering rack that it came with. I think the V6 steering rack, it's not like it doesn't go sideways like this. I think it's more vertical, so I think it's gonna hit the engine mounts, so that's why I left that there. Everything's good over here on this side, but it's this side over here that needs to get worked still. But I'm gonna be finishing that up soon. I just gotta find a bolt right here. I lost it. I don't know where it went. It fell down somewhere on the floor, but this bolt right here, I gotta look for it. And then I might need a new lower ball joint, because right now it's not catching the thread. So it's getting later. I'll probably finish that up another day, but as for now, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like the video, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. I'm out. Peace.